for homework, I want to do an interesting activity. Yes, I'm going to show you how to do this activity. This will help you learn the concept of one more and one less nicely. Okay, so I'm going to send you a picture of the sheet. You can take a printout of the sheet, or it's a simple sheet. Yeah, your parents can make the sheet for you. And then you need a bowl of peas. Yes, and then we can start doing the activity. Okay, so we have, how many jars can you see over here in the sheet? We have 1, 2 and 3 jars. Yes, so the 3 jars, the green jar is for one more. The purple jar is your number, and the red jar is one less. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you're going to do this activity. Yes, I'm going to show you with 3 numbers, and then I want you to do the rest. Yes, so we are going to do for all the numbers starting from 1 to 12. Okay, so my number, so I'll start with number 1. Okay, so we will have a look at the number line as well. So I'm going to start with number 1. Okay, so my number will be 1. So how many peas should I keep in my jar? I'll keep 1. Okay, that's 1. Now, this is my number. Now how much is 1 more than the number? How much is 1 more than 1? Okay, so again I go to my sheet. Now when I say 1 more, where should I go? I go forward. Yes, so 1, and at how many jumps should I take? Just 1 jump. So I move forward, 1 jump. I reach number 2. So 1 more than 1 will be number 2. So I put 2 peas in my jar. 1 and 2. Now how much is 1 less than 1? 1 less, so I go backward. Yes, 1 less, I take 1 jump backwards. So 1 less than 1 is 0. And what is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. Yes? Okay. So my number was 1. 1 more than 1 is 2. And 1 less than 1 is 0. Let's take another number. Okay, so I did 1, so we go to the next number. I take the number 2, so my number will be 2. So I keep 2 peas here, 1 and 2. Now I'll do this one first. 1 more. So how much is 1 more than 2? So I'll have a look at my number line and I go forward. Yes, for 1 more, I go forward. I move towards my right. So I am at 2. I'm at 2. So I go 1 more than 2 is number 3. Okay. So how many should I put in my green jar? 3 peas. Yes. So I have 1, 2 and 3. Now I come to my red jar. That is 1 less. So how much is 1 less than 2? 1 less than 2. Now when I say less, that means I go backward. Yes. So I have a look at my number sheet, number line sheet. I'm at 2. So how much will be 1 less? So I go backward, I jump back. 1 less than 2 will be number 1. Yes. So I put 1 pea in my 1 less jar. Yes, so the number was 2. My number was 2. 1 more than 2 is 3. And 1 less than 2 is 1. 1 and 2. So my next number now will be number 3. Okay, so how much should I put in the purple jar? I'll put 3. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. Now I want 1 more than 3. How much will be 1 more than 3? So I'll have a look at the number line. I'm at 3. Yes, I'm at 3. And how much is 1 more than 3? So I move forward towards my right. Yes, I jump 1 number forward. So what's the number? The number is 4. So 1 more than 3 is number 4. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how much will be 1 less than 3? So again, I have a look at my number line. I'm at 3, my number is 3 and I want 1 less. So should I go forward or backward? I go backward, so I'll jump backward. How many numbers? 1. I go backward 1 number and that is number 2. So 1 less than 3 is number 2. So how many should I put in my red jar? 2 peas, yes? 1 and 2. So my number was 3. 1 more than 3 is 4 and 1 less than 3 is 2. Yes, so I have done for numbers 1, 2 and 3 and I want you to continue doing this activity till you reach number 12. Yes, so you go on doing for 4. So your number will be 4. Then you do for 1 more than 4, 1 less than 4. Then take 5. So your number will be 5, 1 less than 5 and 1 more than 5. Similarly for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. I can assure you you're going to really enjoy doing this activity. It's a fun way to learn the concept of 1 more and 1 less. Happy learning, children. Bye.